Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like, share, comment, and click that subscribe button and join us here every day. Well, not every day, but we try to get on here every day. Sometimes we can, sometimes we can't. But we come together, a small family of us, and we cook. We talk about God, our families, what's going on in the world, this crazy pandemic. We talk about saving money. We talk about everything. Today we're talking about bagels, okay? Because I like cheap, fulfilling meals, and bagels is the way to go. I got cinnamon and raisin bagels, but I've already took out two, but I want to show you the packaging so you'll know what we're talking about today. We're gonna eat Thomas bagels today, okay? Thomas bagels. All right, what was that? That was a pork chop, okay. First thing you do is you get them out the freezer. I keep mine in the freezer. Some people keep theirs out at room temperature, whatever, but because I don't eat them every day, I keep them in the freezer. So I already took out two, and as you can see, they're defrosted. So people make these different kind of ways. Some people eat them, they put cream cheese, margarine, whatever. The first thing that I do is I toast mine. So just in case you've never toasted yours, I'm telling you, this is it. This is the way to eat bagels. Once you toast them, you'll never go back to regular. And before I pull out my toaster, keep all the comments to yourself. I know it's an old toaster, but I've had it for quite a few years, and it serves its purpose. So we're gonna get this joker. Don't look at the bottom, it's coming off. Don't look at that. Don't be fooled by that. Okay, so we're gonna plug that up. I don't, if you're new here, I live in a very small apartment, 630 square feet, and I don't have much room for anything, but I have no counter space. It's zero. So we're gonna adjust this so you can see my raggedy toaster. This is the toaster. So what I do is I get one bagel and I break it apart very slightly because you do not want to break it up too bad. And these bagels been in the freezer a while, but I throw away nothing. Okay. Break it in half like this. Then I put it in the toaster. And this side doesn't work as good as that side. Okay, so you put your bagels in the toaster, and then you get whatever you're gonna put on top of it. Are you gonna put cream cheese? This is the time to get the cream cheese so you can spread it while it's hot. Or if you're gonna use margarine, get the margarine out. Today, we're gonna use margarine, and we're gonna use this plate and this nice organized drawer that we did. We're going to get a knife, and next we're going to get some margarine, which is very soft. I wonder why. I don't like my fridge. And that is the margarine. And this is the weighing game, especially, see this side don't work, especially when you got an old toaster. You have to readjust everything over time. And what else? Oh my. This is not my best apparel. This is not me looking my best, but I am in the house making bagels. I'm not going out on a date, so this is how we looking today. This is how we looking, making the bagels. Okay, so we'll turn that up, but it doesn't matter because the toaster is jacked, but I need to put some apple juice in the in the fridge because I'm running out. I got some, as you can see, but it's almost gone, so we're gonna use that with our meal. And set that in the freezer. And we'll come over here and check it. No, still not ready. Still not ready. So that's all we're gonna eat today. So we'll just get this ready over here. We'll get a little margarine. I don't have one of those things. Remember, all our moms used to have a little butter holder, and it had a little cover on it, and we all would get out what we needed. No, I don't have that. So we're just waiting on not waffles. What are we waiting on? We're waiting on bagels. So we're gonna wait on our bagels with the old toaster. Okay. Can you still see the toaster here? And I don't stick my finger in there, but we take those out, throw them over there, and we put the next one in. And again, these bagels have been in the freezer for a minute, so you do what you gotta do when you're hungry. Okay, we put the next one in, which this one don't look like it's gonna cooperate, but we'll try it anyway. Now, we'll move this over here so you can see it. Oh, that you can't see it if it's over there. Okay, so you, whatever cream cheese or butter you get, and you spread it on. This is the YouTube way of putting it on, because you're trying to be politically correct. But if you want on YouTube, I turn it like this and just put it on there. You know you do this. You know this the way you put the butter on here. And you just put the butter on there like that. And we scrape the butter on there. And I'm gonna present this breakfast. And because we don't have grapes or anything, we only got the apples with the caramel. What we're gonna do is we're going to, I'm not gonna put any margarine on that one. And I'll explain in a minute. I never put margarine on the second one because sometimes I decide I don't want any or it's enough to go around. So you spread that on there the best way you can. And I like to close it back up with the margarine on there. And as you can see, it's nice and toasty. But you know what? I like mine like that. We'll turn that one off. I like mine like this. Can you see it? See? Nice and toasty. And we'll get the apples from the fruit in the fridge. And we'll get our cup. We'll get some apple juice. About 4 ounces is enough. And that's a wrap. There we go. That is breakfast for today. We're going to eat a cinnamon and raisin bagel with a little bit of margarine and 4 ounces of apple juice. And nice and yummy. It's actually pretty good. I'm so glad that you took the time to join me here today to see what we were going to make for breakfast. And so now I'm going to eat my bagel. And I appreciate you joining me here. If you're diabetic and you're trying to watch what you're eating, I know that's bread. But for me, I'm not a breakfast person. But some mornings I have to eat something that's going to stick, like oatmeal or a bagel. Some days are just like that. You know from, the day you had before. So today is going to be a long day, a rough day, and I'm sluggish. I need a good meal. I need to take my medicine, and I need to face this day. So, a little, 1 cup of coffee ain't going to do it this morning, player. Okay, so let's breathe in and breathe out and get ready to start this beautiful day. You ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Let it all out. I want you to have a very peaceful day, a very zen day. Okay, and don't let anybody mess with your joy. Don't let anybody make you angry. It's just not worth it. Okay, so have a great day. Have a blessed day. And remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.